Excuse me, Mr. Boatman?
Heading to Kaifeng? Let's get to work. An early start means an early finish. Huh. Are you a local? What happened to Heaven's Pier?
Bandits came. The village was destroyed.
What a tragedy. It was a wonderful place. Going to Kaifeng for work?
Something like that.
Great place, Kaifeng. The capital. A prosperous city, full of opportunities. Though there's a new policy.
Has something happened in Kaifeng?
Nothing special. Isn't it always like this? Fighting over copper coins like roosters in a ring. Oh, right. Want me to find you a job?
Me? Thanks, but I'm not looking for work.
Not looking for work? I guess you come for money. Better mind your purse then.
Did you make it to Revelry Hall or not?
This is it.
Make it to Southgate Avenue, Fairgrounds, Grand Imperial Temple, and Revelry Hall. Anyone going there?
Seen the treasure basin yet?
Need a lift to Revelry Hall, young wanderer? Surely you don't want to miss the Emperor of East hosting the Heroes Assembly.
No thanks, I'm good.
Make way. This one's got a horse. A greedy lot. Tripling the fare for the Heroes Assembly. Feeding off it like parasites. Back home, we watch out for one another. But out here, you gotta keep your wits about you.
Much appreciated.
They all have wanted to go. You probably didn't.
The Emperor of the Well of Heaven's got more tickets than our raging tide.
Treasure Basin! Treasure Basin! Blessed by the Emperor of East himself!
Moreover!
Near in soul, far in distance. Take a look over there at Kaifeng City, then at the surrounding hills and fields. They say Kaifeng thrives again, yet north of the mountains lie withered grass and broken walls. To the south, hidden dangers still linger beneath the fertile lands. Life's tough, and no one knows when peace will truly come. That's the spirit of youth for you. Since that's the case, I'll give you this map.
Young wanderer, always remember why you started. To serve the people and the greater good. The path ahead is long. Take care.
it is. There's a big shot merchant out there buying up grain at high prices.
This.
Buy one of my turtle babies, young hero.
What? Look at that. Old turtle selling off her little ones.
My little babies make a fine little trinket. Only 2 coins. Off you go, child. Have a good life with this young hero. Thank you, young hero. May good fortune follow you.
Are you here to see Auntie Marion too? Don't bother.
Pretty big market. I wonder where this Wuchua is.
Wuchia? Are you looking for?
You wouldn't be...
You came for me, didn't you? I knew it. My Wuxia treasure basin's made a name for itself.
Wun Wuchua.
Whoa. Wuchia.
At home or on the road, it works anywhere. A sure sign of fortune and riches. I give you my word. Wuxia treasure basin is the real deal. Want one? 3 coins apiece, but no iron coins.
No thanks. I'll go take a look over there.
Hey! Don't go yet! Who do they think they are? Stealing all the business.
Treasure of Wei Young, summoning gold. Place a coin, and more shall unfold. Seize the chance before it's sold! I wanna try! Let me go first!
Excuse me. I heard you just now mention Wuchia.
You know your stuff, young wanderer. My treasure basin is indeed tied to the Ember of East, Wanmu Chui.
Really? So you and Wuchia...
Not from around here, are you? These days in Kaifeng, which treasure basin seller doesn't know the Ember of East? They say, with the Ember of East's heroic assembly, all of Wei Yang's crowding into Kaifeng.
What do you mean?
I mean, these past few days, I've met every aunt, uncle, and cousin of the Ember of East. So, which one are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Everyone I run into claims they're from Wei Yang.
No way that many people come out of Wei Yang.
My treasure basin's no trick! You all saw what it did! You say I'm lying? Show me the proof!
So, this is the real thing, huh? If it's real like you say, then you've got nothing to hide, do you? You wouldn't mind letting us all have a look?
Why would I? You looking to start something with me?
Could there be a contraption at work?
Let's get out of here.
Hey! What are you doing?
coin back.
Inner circle, summon! Break the square! Overturn! Square! Circle! Outer ring!
Lad, still wet behind the ears. You think you can wander the Xianghu? Then allow us to teach you a little lesson.
Stop!
Stray cat! This is Wei Yang business you're messing with!
Oh? Wei Yang?
Who's there? Come out now! Show yourself!
Since you're from Wei Yang, surely you recognize me, the Keeper?
Boss, it's the God of Fortune! That's the Wen family's cat! They really are from Wei Yang!
Show some backbone! The four keepers of Wei Yang. Surely they'd never set foot in a backwater like this! Right.
You may not recognize me, but how about this?
Life coin! It's a Wei Yang life coin! Oh, a coin! Pay with a life! Let's get out of here before it's too late!
I've got other business to take care of. I'll deal with you another day!
That was too easy. I still had other tricks up my sleeve. Ah! Oh, my God of Fortune! It's you. Scared the life out of me.
You? Are you one of the four keepers of Wei Yang?
That's me.
All right, if you say so. Thank you, Keeper...
Keeper Ying Ying. Heroine Ying Ying.
Thank you, Heroine Ying Ying, for coming to my aid.
You're most welcome. Are you hungry? How about we get something to eat? My treat.
You're too kind. You saved me, and you're treating me to a meal?
It's nothing at all. Really. You lost everything helping others. I can't just let you go hungry, can I? Let's go! Oh, my apologies. I almost forgot about you. Thank you for the costume. Let's go.
You really put on a good show earlier. Oh, so do you know the Ember of East from Wei Yang?
The Ember of East. I do.
Does this Ember of East call himself Wucha?
I believe so. His name is Wen Wucha. What of it? What business could you have with him? Well, if you're looking to meet him, you're in luck. He's at Revelry Hall.
Revelry Hall?
Heck, I wish I could go to the Heroic Assembly too. Word is, they'll be handing out coins for 3 days and nights.
Is that a fact? Looks like we've got happy days ahead.
Didn't you hear? The Ember of East is holding the Heroic Assembly at Revelry Hall, and will be offering the gold-making vessel. Making gold for 3 days and nights to ease Kai Feng's coin shortage.
Coin shortage?
Never heard of it? Did you crawl out from under a rock? The song makes copper coins, and the tongue of Jiangnan makes iron coins, called tong coins. But in recent years, they've been minting more and more tong coins, and some are underweight.
You think I'm blind? These are tong coins. Take them back.
The song has banned tong coins, but there aren't enough copper coins to go around. With a coin shortage, the folk are hoping the gold-making vessel can make some for them.
Do you think the gold-making vessel really exists?
Do you think?
Maybe. People do need something to hold on to.
Guess I should pay a visit to Revelry Hall myself.
Welcome, dear guests!
Hey, wait! Don't go. Sit down and help me.
What would you like to eat today?
2 bowls of braised noodles, please. I'm curious. You came to Kaifeng now of all times, but not for the treasure basin? So tell me, what exactly brings you here?
Honestly, I'm here to meet someone at Wheatwind Bazaar, but I'm not sure where to find him.
I see. Hold on. You were asking about Wen Wuxia, the Ember of East. Don't tell me.
So far, he's the only one who seems to match the Wuxia I've been looking for.
Wuxia, huh? That's really something! Oh, quick! Let me take a sip of your wine to steady my nerves.
Wine?
Don't play dumb. I already saw the jar. I know that one. Good stuff. Come on, open it.
I can't open this one.
Really? I saved your neck and fed you, and you won't even spare a jar of wine?
I can get you something else if you like. But not this one. It's made by my family. My aunt made it herself. This is the only jar left. She's the reason I want to meet the Ember of East.
What happened to her?
You seem quite interested in my family.
Why would I? I don't even know you.
You...
Ow! My stomach's acting up all of a sudden.
Huh? You...
Just wait here. Gonna hit the head. You know, make some extra room.
Strange.
Is it true Jiangnan's offering the great song a gold...
That's what I've heard.
The gold-making vessel sounds too good to be true.
Which is why the Ember of East is hosting a heroic assembly.
I heard every famous figure in the Jianghu was invited.
Ever since Tong coins were banned, business hasn't been easy.
If only we could get our hands on the gold-making vessel.
Even if it can make coins, do you reckon they'd give any to folks like us?
I doubt it'd actually make any coins at all.
Is it true Jiangnan's offering the great song a gold-making vessel this year?
That's what I've heard.
The gold-making vessel sounds too good to be true.
Which is why the Ember of East is hosting a heroic assembly for everyone to see.
I heard every famous figure in the Jianghu was invited. Even the elusive water lady is coming.
Make coins out of thin air? Sounds impossible.
If the Ember of East says it's possible, then it must be. All merchants are liars, feeding off others to make a profit. Where did Wei Yang get all that money? Wen Wuchuan knows it well. Gold-making vessel. Bah!
Hey, what brings you to Kaifeng so late at night?
What else? A treasure bowl draws in 1,000 pieces of gold, and heroes gather at Revelry Hall. I'm here for the heroic assembly, of course.
Hey, wait! Don't go. Sit down and help me figure this out.
Can you tell me where the closest outhouse is? My friend went to use the bathroom, but hasn't returned.
Oh, she came back all right. Said her stomach was upset and she's not eating. Told me to have you pay the bill.
Me? Pay the bill? She said it's her treat. I don't have a single coin on me.
Honored guest, this isn't some joke, is it?
Are you sure she came back earlier?
Why would I lie to you? Oh, right. She also left something for you.
A brocade bag?
A brocade bag. Does she think she's some kind of fancy court figure?
So basically, she's just telling me to dine and dash. Is she helping me or playing me for a fool?
So, what does it say? Got a plan?
Well, there is indeed a plan, though not the most reliable one.
Stop with the riddles. Just tell me, do you have money to pay the bill or not?
What if I don't?
If you don't, you'll have to stay here washing dishes and bussing tables for a few days.
All right, here's the plan. Not only am I not going to pay you, I'm going to borrow some coins from you too.
Huh?
I know it sounds ridiculous, but let me explain.
Fine. For the sake of this jar of wine, I'll lend you some money.
Thank you, kind sir.
Not so fast. You almost had me. You've got to give me the wine as collateral. If you don't come back, I'll sell it off. Go on, and make sure you earn enough to get your wine back.
Hey, wait! Don't go. Sit down and help me figure this out.
I really did borrow some cash. Let me check this yellow brocade bag now. Traveling merchant outside the Wheatwind grain store.
Did you hear about that fraud of the treasure basin?
Grain for sale! Lowest prices in town! Grain for sale! Lowest prices!
Now that I've got the grain, I need to sell it to the Dow Lord. Oh, you...
Young master! Is that really you? Aren't you supposed to be dead? You're still alive! What brings you to Kaifeng?
Hey there! Hold on, you missed a bag. All right, that's all the grain for today.
Young master, you bought up all the grain?
Sorry, old Gene. My source was a little faster than yours.
Oh, wait! Wait, young master. You might have the grain, but do you know where to fetch a high price? I know a buyer willing to pay top coin. I'll introduce you for a 10% cut.
Well, I know a buyer too. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Young master, don't leave just yet! You don't want more people finding out you're still alive, do you?
What do you want?
Just a 10% cut of the profits. How about we trade information? Maybe your intel is off.
You... When did you get so crafty?
Think about it. 10% to keep me quiet, plus some intel for free.
All right then. Let's compare what we know.
Dow Lord.
So it's true. Old Gene, where's this buyer?
Just follow me, young master. Young master, the Dow Lord's helper is in there.
Who's that? You? Oh, you're here to sell grain, right? I'm shopkeeper Fu. Well met.
Shopkeeper Fu. I think this might be the wrong place.
Wrong place. Aren't you here to sell grain?
So you're saying you're the buyer?
Got a problem? We're offering the best price for grain. If you have enough. Selling to us is your best bet. Here.
Who's your boss, little one? Must be loaded.
My boss? Their name would scare you stiff. It's the three-headed, six-armed, all-powerful, all-capable Master Tao Lord.
Sounds a bit over the top, but seems to line up.
Oh, apologies. If you really work for the Tao Lord, then you have our full trust. Just sell the grain to her, young master.
Can we speak outside for a moment? If you were the Tao Lord and needed someone to buy a large batch of grain, who would you send?
Someone reliable, surely. Yeah, not the most reliable.
Stay vigilant. We'll sell. I'll count the money while you go fetch the grain.
Great. Then I'll go get the grain.
The money looks right. Maybe I'm just overthinking? There's a letter. Is this bread? A picture to fill your stomach. Something's off.
Just follow me, young master. Ah, young master! If you weren't so sharp, we would have been swindled big!
Hey! I handed over the money. Why are you still holding me here? How can you bully a kid?
Well, Jean, what's going on here?
You little swindler! Explain this. Why are these all Tang coins?
Tong coins?
What Tang coins? What are you talking about?
Cut the act. Where'd you get these coins? Where are your parents?
You're working for that young lady who drew the bread, aren't you? Where is she?
The Tao Lord's expecting me. Just let me go!
Still not talking? Let's see how long that lasts once you're tied down. Come here, young master. If this girl's a swindler, then our source can't be trusted either. No point trying with her now. Come on, I'll take you to a decent merchant. We'll get our money first and deal with her later.
Well, Jean, what exactly are Tong coins?
Have you heard about the Tong coin confiscation, young master?
Is it about the coin shortage? I heard some rumors on the way to Kaifeng.
Those iron coins come from Tang of Jiangnan. No one's allowed to use them, especially
Tong
not for
coins
trading
aren't
with copper
accepted.
coins. So these coins
you
might
hear
look
about
like a
that
lot,
fraud
but
at
they're
the treasure
actually...
basin?
Worth nothing?
Finally got what he deserved.
A real con artist. First she fools me about the meal, then gets me to earn coins, and makes off with everything in the end.
What did you just say, young master?
Nothing. Just say.
Young master, this is the merchant. His price isn't as high as the Dow Lord's, but it's still fair.
What can I say? There's a disaster in Jiangnian, so I don't have a choice.
Buying grain at a good price! Fair trade!
Oh, that's quite a sum.
You want your cut? I need you to do one more thing for me.
One more thing?
You don't want to?
I heard you've been running errands for others in these parts. All right. What is it?
I'm going to retrieve my wine. You go find that little trickster and ask who's behind all this.
Understood. You can count on me.
Well, young warrior, have you brought the money?
I have the money now. Hand over the wine.
Well, about that. The wine, I've already sold it.
You said you'd hold it for me, and you sold it already?
Sorry, the offer was just too good to pass up. Please don't be angry, young wanderer. Here, take the money.
That's quite a sum. Who bought it from you?
A well-dressed young man, and he wore a fine scent. Looked like someone from Velvet Shade.
Velvet Shade?
That sect of Revelry Hall.
Revelry Hall. The Ember of East, Heroes Assembly, Revelry Hall, Velvet Shade.
Did you hear about that fraud at the treasure basin? Finally got what he deserved.
Little girl, I'm not going to lose to you.
I've been roaming the Jianghu since before you were born.
Young master, hold on a moment. I'm close to making her talk.
You weren't even trying.
I give up! I give up. Little girl, you really are something.
Let me try. Last chance. Tell me where the young lady who drew the flatbread is.
What lady?
Keep quiet all you want. I bet the officials are eager to hear what you know.
Mercy, mercy! I was just doing what she told me. I don't know where she is.
You work for her and don't know where she is?
I'm just her errand girl. How could I possibly know where she is? Look, I'm sorry about the scam, but I didn't even pull it off. Please just let me go.
If I let you go that easily, wouldn't that make me a fool? How about you do something for me? Take me to Revelry Hall.
If I take you to Revelry Hall, you'll let me go?
We'll see.
You...
Little girl, don't worry. The young hero here will treat you well if you do your part. The young hero promised me 10%, and that's exactly what I'll get. Maybe not yet, but it's only a matter of time. Am I right, young hero?
Right.
How generous of you! I wasn't expecting this much! Young master, it's truly a blessing to have run into you today. I made enough money here, so I'm heading north now. Young master, may our paths cross again in the Junghu.
Lead the way. So, little girl, what's your real name?
Little Fu.
That's not a lie, is it?
Why would I lie about that?
You really work for the Tao Lord?
If I really served the Tao Lord, would I have been caught by you so easily?
We gotta wait! Just excuse me. Ow! Stop shoving, will ya?
Let me tell you about the foregone season of Junghu.
Okay, got it. Yeah, you let go.
I saw it coming through! Make way, folks! Hey! Get out of the way!
Hey! Move aside, bro. You move. You move. No, you move.
Oh, we're gonna hit!
Harder there.
Come on, faster!
Oh, easy does it. That boat'll never make it.
Go take a break. Don't you ever get tired?
Tired? Not at all. We're the face of Kaifeng.
Not even in the city yet, and I'm already running into all kinds of swindlers. Isn't Kaifeng supposed to be a prosperous place? How...
Prosperous? Huh. Come with me.
Where are we going?
I'm going to show you the real Kaifeng.
The real Kaifeng?
That's right. Not the flashy, bustling Kaifeng, but the one people actually live in.
The one people actually live in doesn't sound too different.
It's not the same at all. The real Kaifeng isn't something you see with your eyes alone. You have to listen with your ears.
Give it back! Give it back! crying. I'm the one who should be crying. The moon will rise, the moon will set. I have a treasure basin, don't you fret. Sleep, my child, safe and sound. The treasure basin's riches about. Close your eyes and let dreams flow. My child, for you to ask for no. When morning comes with skies so bright.
What happened?
With more coins going to the furnace, the common folk have less and less to spare. Now you've seen it for yourself. This is the real Kaifeng. Come on. Let's go to Revelry Hall.
Huh? What's going on up there?
Must be an inspection point before entering the city.
Wait, officer! Please! There's been some mistake!
Huh? Carrying so many Tong coins around? Do you think we're fools?
Are you sure you saw correctly, officer? These are all copper coins!
Take a good look.
Impossible!
If you say these are copper coins, then prove it.
Prove it? Well, this coin bag isn't mine to begin with!
Isn't that my...
Wait.
Not yours.
It is mine. Someone gave it to me, a widow with an infant. She gave it to me. Ah, it must be her. She swapped the copper coins for Tong coins.
Is that so? Then where's this widow you speak of?
It's him! It's him! The coin bag belongs...
Excuse me, officer, but do I look like a widow with an infant?
You take me for a fool? Tie him up and bring him to the furnace!
Officer, please! I'm innocent! You deny this coin bag isn't yours? I'll be back for you! Just wait!
Search them too!
Oh no, I'm still carrying the Tong coins you gave me.
What? Why are you carrying those around?
Who wouldn't take perfectly good coins? Are we not even allowed to carry them?
The Tong coin confiscation order says it's illegal to have them in public. For minor offenses, you get beaten. For major ones, you're sent to the furnace for 3 years hard labor.
What's the fastest way out of here?
Too late! There's no way out now!
Come on, old Zhang.
Fellas! Big Xiao's in trouble! Let's do this!
Come on.
Can I come out now?
Big Sun, all clear? Shh. They're coming this way. Just one more second.
Have you seen a young wanderer, plain looking, and a chubby but nimble man?
They went that way.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I almost wet myself. Now go, quick, before he comes back.
Why does everyone seem so ready to help you, sir?
Why wouldn't they? They're my friends, ain't they?
That
Where'd
many
they go?
people? All your friends?
That's not a lot.
Search that
Not
way!
to brag, but I've got connections
that
with
way.
just about everyone in Kaifeng, even the flies. Little Wong, cover us!
Thank you, Big Zhao. If it weren't for you, Little Fu and I would have been caught.
Come on, you're one of our own. Don't mention it.
One of your own?
Your surname's Zhang, ain't it?
Zhang?
Then, is there anyone in your family named Zhang?
My family?
That move of yours. I thought maybe he was your... forget it. I must have been wrong.
Oh no, the soldiers are back. Keep it down.
Have you seen a young wanderer, plain looking, and a chubby but nimble man? Where'd they go? How does a man that big just slip away?
You can come out now. They're gone.
Big Zhao, there's something I must do at Revelry Hall. When I come back, I'll give you a proper thanks.
Going to Revelry Hall? What are the chances? Looking to gather some coins, too?
Coins? Not really. Assembly ticket?
The ticket to the Heroic Assembly, given only to the most respected heroes in the Jianghu. You... don't have one?
If I hadn't shown the way, he wouldn't even know where Revelry Hall is. No chance he's got a ticket.
I'm sorry, Big Zhao. I didn't know.
Don't worry. You couldn't help me, but maybe I can help you. I'll ask around and see if my fellas can find a way in.
Really? Then I'll go with you.
That draw too much attention. Let's split up. Revelry Hall's to the northeast. We'll meet at the dock.
Deal.
Hey! Let me out first!
Oh, almost forgot. I'm taking this little girl along.
Just don't let her slip away. She still owes me one.